Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone iCloud shared album not showing all photos. Solution number 1, turn off low power mode. Firstly, go to settings app on your iPhone. Swipe down and click on battery. Turn off low power mode. Solution number 2, turn off and on shared album. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Next, click on your Apple ID name. Click on iCloud. Click on Photos. Now turn off shared album and iCloud photos. Then wait for few seconds. Turn it back on. Solution number 3, sign out of iCloud and sign back in. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Click on your Apple ID name. Click on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password. Click turn off upper right corner. If you want a copy, turn on these features here. Click sign out in the upper right corner. Again click sign out to confirm. Once you're done, close the settings app and wait for few seconds, then sign back into iCloud. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.